the Dale Carnegie stress principle that has been helping me to live with more intention during this time of uncertainty has been create happiness for others. That's been my focus. How can I create moments for other people so that I can feel connected, so that they can feel supported, and therefore I feel supported? We are all pre-programmed to want to be connected. It's the human way. And it's our way of being able to intentionally show humanity during these times of strife. So I ask you, how can you create happiness for others? How? Is it reaching out to your neighbor to see if you need to take one of their kids for a bike ride outside? Is it going to your coworker and just seeing how they're doing? Is it maybe seeing someone at the grocery store and just giving them a smile? What are ways that we can create moments to elevate others, which in turn elevates us? That is humanity. And that is the Dale Carnegie principle that is going to get us through this, and do so with intention. So I ask you, create happiness for others. Do it today.